The season of autumn marks the beginning of profound changes. Daylight grows shorter, the weather grows colder, and forests explode in vibrant shades of yellows, oranges, and reds. While a tree's leaves work to make energy and food for the tree during the spring and summer months, as the weather and daylight changes, the tree begins to move towards storing its energy for the winter. Chlorophyll, the compound which gives leaves their green color, breaks down, revealing the underlying yellow and orange hues that we witness during this time. At the same time, some types of trees, such as maple trees, have additional chemical changes that are able to create vibrant red colors. This strong autumn color the maple tree produces has also been intrinsically connected to Canada, who adopted it as part of its national flag in 1965 to symbolize unity, tolerance, and peace. This origami maple leaf is a great way to celebrate the autumn season. If you enjoyed the templates used in today's video, feel free to download them using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.